Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we are back with another brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can hide your Instagram followers list. All right, so right now I have a public account, which means anybody can come and see my followers list. So for an example, I'm going to go to my friend's account over here called Witchy Kevin. So I'm just going to go to his account Witchy Kevin, and I can see his follower list over here. So he has 49 followers. I can click on see who is following him as well. All right, and I can also see his following list. So if you want to hide this, then you guys can follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. And let's move on. First step, you click on your profile and you click on the three dot at the top. Once you click on it, you want to go on setting. Once you go on setting, you go on privacy and make sure your private account over here is turned on. So I'm going to switch to public, so make sure it's turned on like this. Now once you turn on, click to switch to private. Now once you do that, basically over here your account is private, which means nobody can see how much follower you have unless they follow you. So all these people over here can only know how much followers I have and who has followed me. All right, so and remember, to follow me they have to ask for permission. So if somebody wants to follow me, they need to send me a follow request, and only if I accept their follow request they can follow me. And if they can follow me, only they can see my followers list, which means only those people which are allowed can see my followers list. So let's say from this followers over here, you need to click on followers. At the top where it says 5 followers, click on it. So in I have 5, but you might have different number. All right, just click on it. So let's say I don't want Witchy Kevin to see how much followers I have. What I can do is click on Witchy Kevin and click on where it says following over here and click on restrict and click on restrict account. Once I do that, Witchy Kevin won't be able to see how much followers I have, as well as he won't be able to click on my list to see who has followed me, because he is restricted. All right, so you can even restrict the followers which you have in order for them to not know how much followers you have. But remember, if you restrict somebody, followers is not the only thing they can see. They can even see your photos and other thing. All right, so keep that in mind. Hope you guys understand today's video. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.